YouTube fam, what's up? It's your favorite realtor, Agent Said Banks. Today, we are going to be touring a fully renovated home in Greensboro, North Carolina that is listed for $239,000. This property is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, about a quarter of an acre, holding 1,300 square feet. As you can see, as soon as you walk in through that front door, you have a nice, lovely, open concept kitchen and living room. You can just imagine cooking in the kitchen, having a TV set up on the side, and whether you're watching your favorite sports team or maybe you have family over and y'all are watching a movie, you would have the ability to not only eat and cook in the kitchen, but still be able to watch TV and enjoy your family time with everybody else. All right, now that we're a minute into this video, if you're still watching right now, do me a favor, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you like the boy enough, even consider turning on post notifications. That way you don't miss nothing that I post in the future. Also, if you or anybody you know needs help buying or selling real estate, feel free to reach out to me at cedricbanks.exprealty.com. That is my personal website. If you go on there, you can make a home search. You can also find my contact information to reach out to me directly, and I can answer any questions you may have. Now let's get into the video. Keep in mind that the video you're watching right now, the house actually has some minor updates. You'll see later in the video, but there's a closet that doesn't have any coat hangers in there, but there's coat hangers in the house now. At the time of this recording, I was busy, and this is the only time I can come and record before it went live. But everything in this house is ready. As you can see, it's new floors, it's new stainless steel appliances, it's new paint, it's a new deck. You can see that they put some hay out there, so new grass will be coming to the property. And there's also a new HVAC. So you're basically coming into not new construction, but something that was almost treated just like new construction because everything is updated like what new construction home would be. Well, that's the house. That's everything. If you're still here, please don't leave this video without liking and subscribing to my channel. Also, if you or anybody that you know needs help buying or selling a house, my website is cedricbanks.exprealty.com. Again, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.